Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Joo-hyuk and Sung-kyung's fortune harmony analysis. At the request of overseas YouTube subscribers, I analyzed the fortune harmony between Joo-hyuk and Sung-kyung. They have very unique fortunes. Now that they are known to have broken up, why did they break up? They look so pretty. Joo-hyuk on the left has a high sense of reality and is good at managing himself. Sung-kyung on the right is a delicate, friendly, and warm-hearted person. And when they meet, they become a relationship where Sung-kyung takes care of Joo-hyuk. In their fortunes, pink hearts are letters that mean popularity, and green hearts are letters that make a good start. And the characters without hearts at the bottom are the words that mean celebrity abilities. Their fortunes are very well composed of letters that are very useful. Their fortunes are those of charm, new start, and talent. And especially the letters next to the letters that point to themselves are the direction of life. And they all have something in common, that they seek to acquire new knowledge, leave a record of life, and accept senior words very well. This must have played a good role in meeting each other. But they don't have letters that correspond to their spouse. So when they meet each other, what do I exist in him and in her? It's a fortune structure that makes them think about it. In that case, they can only recognize their perception of their spouse. Joo-hyuk wants his spouse or girlfriend to teach, direct, and lead him. Sung-kyung loves her spouse or boyfriend as much as her subordinates. In this respect, they seem to fit well, but they probably thought a lot about their presence, because they don't have the letters that correspond to their spouses. This is the most interesting picture. Joo-hyuk's fortune on the left is that the green circle means discipline and a regular system. Joo-hyuk looks very handsome and gentle, but you can think of him as a soldier. That's how much he likes to live by rules. He prefers to keep what is kept in discipline and to live a well-organized life rather than free-spirited. On the right, Sung-kyung, on the other hand, is a win-win relationship between green arrows, and the flow of energy supports and helps. And the red arrow direction is the flow of energy that controls. Her fortune is very changeable, free, curious, and she likes new attempts, but psychologically stable. Therefore, although they were a very good-looking and pretty couple, as good-looking men and women, they must have felt a lot of different feelings and alienation due to their anxiety about each other's presence, different systems of thinking, and different preferred activities. Still, they seem to have loved each other beautifully for a while because they have the right direction in life. In the future, I hope them develop in each other's fields and be happy and healthy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.